Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful chocolate bouquet with paper. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need about 10 to 15 individual chocolates, some 20-gauge floral wire, and a roll of green floral tape. Also, prepare a few sheets of colorful craft paper, a sharp pair of scissors, and a reliable hot glue gun. Finally, choose a charming vase or container to hold your delightful creation. Now let's prepare our chocolates for the bouquet. Take a piece of 20-gauge floral wire, about 6 inches long, and carefully tape it to the back of each chocolate using green floral tape. This creates a sturdy stem. Next, cut your colorful craft paper into squares, roughly 4 inches by 4 inches. Gently wrap each chocolate with one of these paper squares, gathering the paper around the base to form a pretty, decorative cup. To enhance the bouquet's visual appeal, let's craft some paper petals. Cut various petal shapes from your remaining craft papers, experimenting with different sizes and colors. You might create about 3 to 5 petals per chocolate. Gently curl the edges of each paper petal using a pencil or your fingers to give them a more natural, lifelike appearance. Then, carefully attach these petals around the base of each chocolate using a small dab of hot glue. Finally, it's time to assemble your beautiful chocolate bouquet. Gather all your prepared chocolate stems, arranging them into a visually pleasing and balanced shape. You can vary the heights for added interest. Once you are happy with the arrangement, securely wrap the entire bundle of stems together with additional green floral tape, starting from the top and working your way down about 3 inches. Place your finished, delightful chocolate bouquet into your chosen decorative vase or container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.